Hello, in this video I want to show you the process from here to here. So the customer called us and he said he has a restaurant, and in the middle of the restaurant there is a pillow and he wants to have a thread fountain around that pillow. So we visited that customer and took a look at the construction site, and yeah, we had some challenges. The first challenge would be how to fix our water distribution at the top, and the second challenge would be how to connect the filling and the drain to the fountain, because here near to the fountain we have had only a small hole in the floor, as you can see here, and this hole was connected to this hole, which was like 5-6 meters away, and this would be behind the bar, and we would have to place our reverse osmosis and the filling and the drain behind the bar, and then connect it with our water wall. So this was actually the second challenge, and I would say the main challenge was to get all the water technique below the fountain. So what you can see here is that around the fountain the customer has placed sitting places, and this is like a furniture, and he also has put there some doors so that the water technique was accessible. And the challenge was to make this water technique accessible from these doors for maintenance. Yeah, and also another challenge was that he wanted to have this second level at the ceiling. So after we have had our talk with the architect and with the owner, yeah, I went home and I took the sketches, and I took the notes I made at the construction site, and then I've made a sketch in which the customer and the owner could see how we would build that, and I will tell you the details about this sketch in our next video. See you soon.